And welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. This one's called the creeping cutter. We were running a batch of stainless steel brackets on a 3-axis mill. Same setup, same program, we'd run plenty of times. First half of the day it went perfect. Then right after lunch, tool number 4, a 1/2-inch end mill, started cutting shallow. Not broken, not chipped, just short. Checked the offsets, fine. Program, unchanged. The collet was tight, or so it seemed. We swapped in the new cutter, touched it off, ran the cycle again, and halfway through the depth was off again. That's when we spotted it. The shank was polished for about 1/2 inch past where the collet should have been gripping. Turns out the collet was just worn enough that under load the tool was creeping out. Not dramatic, just enough to ruin the cut. We replaced the collet, reran the job, and every bracket turned out dead on. Lesson learned, tooling doesn't just wear at the cutting edge, the stuff holding it in place has a lifespan too. Ignore it and it'll cost you time, parts, and maybe even your sanity. Ever chased a machining problem that turned out to be something simple? Share it in the comments. We've all been there. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.